This is a summary of meiosis by Garland Hurst. After sex cells spend most of their lives in the interphase, the meiosis process begins with prophase 1. Prophase 1 is almost identical to prophase in mitosis. The nuclear membrane dissolves, centrioles move to the opposite ends of the cell, and spindle fibers form. The only difference between this stage in meiosis and mitosis is that crossing over occurs in meiosis in prophase 1. This is when genetic material is shared between chromosomes, causing variation in offspring, while mitosis produces identical offspring. The next three stages are pretty much the exact same as mitosis. Following prophase 1 is metaphase 1, in which chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell attached to spindle fibers. Next is anaphase 1, where sister chromatids are separated and pulled apart by spindle fibers. After anaphase 1, telophase 1 occurs, which is the conclusion of the first division. Two new nuclei reform, and this is when the similarities of mitosis and meiosis start to end. This is when the second division occurs. It basically repeats the first cycle, except it performs it on two cells, the daughter cells. It runs through prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and of course telophase 2. Finally, gametogenesis occurs, breaking the cells into four new haploid gametes. This is the conclusion of meiosis. Meiosis is similar to mitosis, as its first divisions are almost identical. They go through the cycle of PMAT, and they produce new cells. They are different in that meiosis produces sex cells, not body cells. It has two divisions, and it only occurs in germ cells.